Words that sound complicated but are actually not. How do you pronounce this word? It's actually pronounced as rendezvous. 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 According to Google, the word rendezvous is a noun that means a meeting at an agreed time and place, typically between two people. In Filipino, pagkikita o pagtatagpo. For example, my sister and I will have a rendezvous in order to plan our mother's surprise birthday party. Another one, Farsa had a secret rendezvous with her boyfriend, Leomord, that evening. As easy as that. So, whenever you go out with your friend, a relative, or your special someone, instead of calling it a meetup,